The number of retailers selling tobacco products to minors continues to be a problem in our community. A recent survey found more than 50 clerks breaking the law. 23 ABC's Carlos Correa is in our studio tonight. And Carlos, these stores were all cited by police?
That's right, Jackie. And it wasn't just in Bakersfield, but stores in Arvin, Delano, Fraser Park, Shafter, and Tehachapi were among the stores cited, making the illegal sales rate of tobacco products to minors in Kern County slightly higher than the state. Under the supervision of law enforcement, 20 local teens were used as decoys for the Kern County Youth Tobacco Purchase Survey, a compliance check of 480 tobacco retail stores.
Just selected some in each of the smaller communities, some in the Bakersfield area, and we tried to get a good representation of the county in that respect.
The survey was conducted between September 28th and December 4th. It found 53 stores selling tobacco products to minors without checking their identification cards as required by the state's Stop Tobacco Access to Kids Enforcement Act and Penal Code 308.
They are able to use these products in many ways. They function as a de facto gateway drug into whatever's next.
Environmental Health, the Sheriff's Office, the Superintendent of Schools, and the Tobacco Free Coalition worked along local law enforcement for the project. Leaders say the results are an eye-opener for parents.
I would give the advice that I would hope that they would talk with their children about the long-term effects that are caused from smoking.
Health leaders say 4,000 teens become regular smokers each day. They say 60% of them become addicted to tobacco by the age of 14.
I think what you see here is that sometimes if that attention in that community maybe hadn't been there in prior years, there was some concern that perhaps they were selling illegally to minors in certain communities, and that increased that percentage, whereas here we're now getting consistently that message. Illegal sales of minors is not okay.
Project leaders say 27 of the stores were first-time offenders and received a $250 fine. 13 stores were repeat offenders and had their county tobacco retailers' permits suspended between 30 to 90 days and have to pay up to $500 fines. In the studio, Carlos Correa, 23 ABC.